Blow, let it scream, let it blow with the eyes. Got it cocked all in your video like a prop, but it's not. Then the cops finna plot, pull up, get you locked for a Glock and some pot with some thoughts at your spot. That's embarrassing as fuck. 12 pop of shit, sounding arrogant as fuck, talking disparaging as fuck. Niggas cuffs too tight, but they don't dare give a fuck. As long as they ain't down, they don't care if it's us in the midst of all the bullshit. Why the fuck you think these niggas are the full clips? Niggas trying to pull shit. Bad plans from the man trying to fool shit. Make us think this time's the way our life is just some cool shit. The tool click niggas mamas at the pulpit crying cause what was done to a son was some cruel shit. Forever carrying this trauma on some mule shit. On top of that, nobody trying to be a stool pigeon. But soon as 12 get the killer, old deuce snitches schooling on who sent it. Then everybody life over in the flash. Treat the body like fab, just throw it in the bag. The cat's too expensive, can't put broad in the grass. Over homie getting ash. Shit trash. Hey, try to tell them niggas but it's too late. Young niggas stay dangerous, I was told I was too safe. Them pussy niggas can't get trust, I heard they was too fake. Them niggas can't hang with us, that's why I got screw face. I don't fuck with these niggas at all. Hey, I don't fuck with these niggas at all. I don't fuck with these niggas at all. I don't fuck with these niggas at all. Yeah.
I'm a dialect coach. I'm a dialect coach. I'm a dialect coach. I'm a dialect coach.
Want a career as a dialect coach? We're not the school for you. Want a degree to help prepare you for a career in healthcare, business, or education? Check us out at post.edu. Post University.
When you come to the University of West Los Angeles, you feel like you belong. Based in Los Angeles and with a global online campus, UWLA offers the flexibility to complete your bachelor's degree, earn a graduate degree, or pursue a law degree, all on your schedule. A recent graduate said they came out of the program with an advanced degree, with a promotion, and with no student loan debt. At UWLA, you can reach your dreams no matter what walk of life you come from. Visit uwla.edu/getinfo. This is a real testimonial read by a voice actor. Individual experiences vary.
You or a loved one suffering from alcohol or drugs.
Your recovery is a call away. America's #1 rehab is all I can say. Search us online, LAJOLLA, recovery.com.